Hi guys, today we talk about Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus launched on July 2024. The price tag is $600. Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024. The price tag is $999. The body dimensions: Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus, height 6.4, width 2.9, thickness 8.3 mm. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra, height 6.49 inch, width 3 inch, thickness 9.2 mm. The weight of Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro, 196 gram. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra, 223 gram. The build: the Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus, front glass, eco leather back and aluminium frame. Oppo Find X7 Ultra, front back glass and aluminium frame, and the both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card support. The display type: the both mobile come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is looking same, and the resolution: Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus come with 1.5K screen resolution. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 2K screen resolution. The PPI dynasty: Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 510. The Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus come with 453. The refresh rate: Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus come with 144 Hz. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen to body ratio: the Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus come with 89.7% and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 91.3% screen to body ratio. The Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus come with Corning Gorilla Glass screen protection, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection and the other of display features. It's come with 3000 nits peak of brightness. Vivo and the Oppo come with 4500 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup: Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus come with dual. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel ultra wide with LED flash panorama HDR, and it's record 8K 30fps video. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with quad camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 2.8x optical zoom, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto 2 with 6x optical zoom with Hasselblad color calibration, dual LED flash HDR and panorama. It's record 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera: Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 32 megapixel with 4K 30fps video record. The Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus come with 16 megapixel with 1080p 30fps video record. The platform: the both mobile come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 3.3 GHz, and the chipset is same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm in both mobile. The GPU is Adreno 750 in both devices. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Android 14 ColorOS 14 operating system, and the Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus come with Android 14 Origin OS 4 operating system. The memory: the both mobile come with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM, and the internal storage is 256, 512 and 1 TB. No SD card, no nano memory card support in these mobiles. Let's go to the battery backup. The Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus come with 5500 mAh battery, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery. The Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus support 120 watt fast charging, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra support 100 watt fast charging, and Oppo Find X7 Ultra support 50 watt fast wireless charging. The Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus do not support any wireless charging, and the both mobile come with 5G network. The commons and the features: Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC infrared port, Type-C 3.1, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0 and IP65 dust and water resistant. And the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC infrared port, Type-C 3.1, fingerprint under display, UFS 4.0, SOS via satellites, calls and messages, and IP68 water and dust resistant. The result of these devices: the Vivo iQOO Neo9S Pro Plus got 20 points and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra got 23 points.